Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to play chess. Chess is very easy if you learn how the pieces work and how to play. So this is the chessboard as we all can see. On these opposite sides, there are numbers that go from 1 to 8, and on these opposite sides there are letters that go from 8 to H. The 1 and 2 side, the light color goes, and in the 7 and 8 side, the dark color goes. Now let's talk about the pieces and their locations on the board. So in this front line, the pawns all get arranged. These pawns are worth 1 point each. And on the two corners, the rook goes. There are two rooks and they both go on the two corners. And after the rooks, the knights. The rooks are worth 5 points each, and the knights are worth 3 points. And then the bishops, and they are also worth 3 points each. Now, here are the players of our game, the queen and the king. If you forget which one goes on which box, you can always remember by queen on color. And the queen is worth 9 points. So the same thing goes with the dark pieces too. If you have noticed, I have never said the points for the king, because they don't have a point. Because if you checkmate the kings, then you win the game. Okay guys, that's it. In the next video, I will teach you how the pieces move and how to checkmate.